Well, hello and welcome. It is the 11th of October and it is time for another pen and ink Inktober challenge. Now, today on the 11th it's supposed to be a snack, and I was thinking, why not do a slice of pizza? Now, when you're looking straight down on a pizza, it's a circle, but as you look at it from the side, it changes from a circle to an oblong curve. And what I'm going to use now is this French curve template to, well, start the curve. Now, these French curve templates, they're brilliant. You can have almost any size of curve, so I just think that this will be about right for the card that I'm doing. That's the level. So the slice is not horizontal, it's going to be up at an angle. So I'm going to take that there as my angle, and there, that's the size of my pizza. And that's so crust will be a bit of a lip at the end, and we'll just bring that in about there, about there. Keeping it loose. When you're doing these sketches, don't be too hard on yourself. Leave it a little bit loose. We can change this later on. I'm taking my time here now, and that's the way it's going to be. And let's make it, give a bit of depth to our base. It won't be a very, very thick base. I don't like thick bases. I like them. Okay, it's cheese. That's what this is, by the way. I think drawing the cheese pizza is it's lovely. It's great. You have all this gooey cheese falling down. Keep it nice and round. Now, I'm not sure if I'll use that. I'll stick it in and see how it goes. So parts of it you're going to be able to see the crust, other parts you won't, and nowhere is the cheese flat. I look upon it as, well, it is melted cheese. It's like melted water. Just put in a couple of different things. Maybe these would be cubes of pineapple, maybe sticking into the cheese. So I'm doing this totally at random. I'm not being very particular about where it goes. There's a bit of a even though I don't like mushrooms, I stuck in one there. And don't forget, at the edge. So up here at the top, probably going to be a little bit of burn, so it'll be bubbling a bit up there. And now all we have to do is ink it in at this stage. For the initial inking in, I'm going to use a 0.1. I think a 0.1 will be the one to use. I'll just so that's the base there, and the cheese goes, see the way you can see a bit of the base all the time. The cheese hasn't come down over the edge of the base everywhere, just in different parts of it. And I'm keeping the cheese nice and rounded because it is melted, and cheese usually is kind of rounded when it's melted. And put in the bottom of the base, that'll be straight there underneath it. I like doing that, putting in the you can still see the base underneath, and over here there'll be a couple of holes, where it is folded over. I'll just put in a couple of, just for the idea. And up here it has to be nice and fluid, not straight lines. This is melted cheese. Okay, up here now it'll be a little bit different. It's more straight, but every now and then we'll put a bit of a, there we go, another one. Where the crust has risen and maybe burnt. But here's the cheese, and it'll be riding up on the crust. Again, not exactly straight. Now, so what I'm doing here is putting in, making it look as if it's flowing. Which, when you think about it, it did. It flowed down. It can be flowing now. So I'm just giving the idea of it being fluid. And this is the a couple of flicks here to show that that's rounded. And that's the back of it. We only see a part of the back of it there. And here's the top, and just there are the bumps. I'm just putting in the idea of shadows there. And fill these in. And put that way. I think looks nicer this way. Yeah. Just something round sticking out. I think it might be a tomato, and the cheese around it will be all these things. There's, it's like as if it's in water. There'll be ripples around it on the outside. And this is part of, what do you call those things? I can't remember. Sorry, because I don't like them anyway. I don't know what this is. I'm just putting in circles because there's bound to be something in there. Or maybe that's just cheese that is bubbling up. No, I think not. Yeah, this might be. Yeah, we'll do this as just a bit of cheese bubbling up, and a bit shade around it. Another one of these things that I can't remember the name of. Mushrooms. I don't like mushrooms. That's why I can't remember their names. Look, I'm just putting in totally random all around the place. I'm thinking about this as water, and there'll always be ripples around the place.